Alright, so I don't see a lot of videos on YouTube with Mustangs, you know, the 05 to 09s, or I guess 2010 with the 4.6 with Howard's Rattler cam in it. So I figured I'd make one my own. It's probably gonna be crap, but see how she goes. So it says the Howard's Rattler cams, I should say, in it. Cold air intake, it's tuned by Bama. It's gonna get professionally tuned on a dyno here, hopefully in the spring. Lowered on RTR lowering springs with Koni, the orange shocks. Kooks long tube headers with catted X pipe, and then just go into pipe bombs in the back. Just got the American muscle wheels with the Nitto tires. But I'll start it up here. So I don't know how well the camera's picking it up, but it sounds pretty good. You know, it's not a super aggressive cam by any means, but it definitely changes the sound. Oh yeah, the other thing, change the gears from a 331 to a 373.